Hey there, Plant Pals. Mike the Cat Gardener, and this is an update to the Winter Indoor Grow 2022, the WIG hashtag WIG 2022, and this is the having a brain thing here. This is the chocolate bell pepper. I can get around. See, right now I'm doing a time lapse, so you can follow along the growth of this. And as you can see, it's doing awesome. It's been less than a month, and the aphids have fortunately stayed away from this. I did put peppermint oil and other oils like tea tree oil to keep them away, and so far it seems to be working. So I don't want to block the time lapse here, but I do want to show you. There's my little squirrel buddy and his drinking buddy over here. And as you can see, we've got wonderful growth. And I'll probably cut these bigger leaves as the plant gets taller. I'll cut the bigger leaves off to allow the energy to go back into the plant so it produces peppers earlier. Right, that is just a quick look at the Zim Who unit that's in my office that is growing the chocolate bell peppers. And if I mess up the name, I'll put it on screen. It's been a winter storm today, and I've been shoveling. I shoveled for 2 hours, and so I'm exhausted. And I don't have any good chili to fuel me back up, so I'm a little bit tired. But, you know, this cheers me up to look at the beautiful plants. As you can see, how big these leaves are already in under a month. All right. Any comments, questions in the comment section? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.